In this video, we will understand the concept of completing the square method. We already learned different methods to solve quadratic equation. We can find the roots of any quadratic equation by using factorization method, by using quadratic formula. And here we need to learn a new method, and that is completing the square method. Square method means what? Just revise these formulas where a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square, and the third term is twice of a and b, and a and b are the roots of these square numbers, right? Similarly, a minus b whole square is equals to a square, b square, and minus 2ab. So basically, what we need to do, we have to convert this equation. We have to convert this equation and we have to solve this equation by completing the square method. Let's understand how can we apply this method. There are few steps. Step number 1, equation should be in its general form. What is the standard form? Or you can say a general form. That is ax square plus bx plus c, means square term should be at first. Then bx means only a single variable term should be at the second. And plus c means what? Means constant value should be in the last, right? Okay. Till here, everything is clear. What is the second step? At the second step, we need to observe the coefficient of x squared should be 1. Now, check the question statement. In this question, is the coefficient of square term 1? Is it 1? No, it is not 1. So if it is not 1, then we have to make it 1. How can we make it 1? हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? We can do it by dividing with the same number. इसका यही 2, whatever the coefficient is, उसी number से हम दोनों sides से divide कर देंगे. Means that was an equation, 2m squared plus 9m plus 10 equals to 0. Now, I need to convert this 2 into 1. So means that I can divide with the same number, 2 divided by 2. To keep a balance of the equation, we will divide it by 2 on both sides. Clear? Now, I can write it 2 upon 2m square, 9 upon 2m plus 10 upon 2 equals to anything. If we divide it by 0, we will get 0. Okay, now after simplification, I can get the answer 2 times 2 is 1. 2 times 2, sorry, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So it is m square. We cannot cancel this term. I will write down as it is. Now I can cancel it. 2 times 2 is 2 ones are 2 and 2 times 5 is 10. It is 5 equals to 0. Okay. Now, as per step 2, coefficient is of a square term is the 1, right? So ये हमने कर लिया. What is the step 3? Step 3 is we have to move constant term, which is c as per this general or standard form. We have to move the constant term to the right side. Constant term of this equation is plus 5. We will move this 5 to another side. So rest of the values will be same and there will be no change. So ये यहाँ पे plus हो रहा था, उधर जाके ये minus हो जाएगा, right? Okay. Now we have to set up the problem. Means we have to determine the third term. As per fourth step, we have to determine the third term. Third term means what? Means कि ये जो left hand side है, basically हम इसका square complete करने जा रहे हैं. Means कि as per this formula, there are 2 square terms, right? A square and b square. Square of first term and square of second term. Right? So here you can observe m square, यहाँ पे square की एक term है, but second term is missing. We have to determine. ठीक है? अब हम कैसे करेंगे? That is important to understand. So just go with me. How can we determine it? We can determine the third term. We need to observe coefficient of x term. The coefficient of x term means जिस variable की power single है and that is x term. ठीक है? ये single m. तो इसका coefficient क्या है? 9 upon 2. What is its coefficient? 9 upon 2. So we will write here. I want to do this step here. Let me copy down this one and I will do the step here. Okay. Okay. 9 upon 2 is the coefficient of this x value. ठीक हो गया? ये coefficient है. हमने इसका half करना है. Half of the coefficient x. हमने इसका half करना है. तो how can I do half of it? तो अब ये already एक fraction है. तो I will definitely multiply by half with it. ठीक है? And second, and then we have to take a square of it. Remember, we have to take a square of it. Now I will simplify the values, and that is 9 ones are 9 and 2 times 2 is 4 and square will be as it is. Okay, again let me repeat this. हमने क्या करना है स्टेप पे? स्टेप नंबर 4 is very much important, remember that. और यही आपका basically main concept है. What you need to do here, you need to identify, you need to determine the third term basically. और third term कैसे होगी determine? You have to take a coefficient of x term या m का coefficient लेंगे या coefficient उस variable का जिसकी power 1 है, right? Okay, that is 9 upon 2 और इसको half करेंगे. अब इसको half आप कैसे करेंगे? That is already in a fraction. तो you will definitely multiply by 1 upon 2 और साथ ही इसका square ले लेंगे. Whatever the result comes, ये result in the second step, in the last step, in the fifth step, we will add on both sides of the equation. Means that there will be no change in m square plus 9 upon 2m equals to minus 5. So basically, what we need to do? We need to add something on both sides. What do we need to add? We need to add 9 upon 4. Iska square, we will add on both sides. Clear? हमने कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं किया. First of all, that was our equation. As per this equation or as per starting the method, it is important कि ये order में हो. After it, we need to make sure the coefficient of m square or whatever the square term is should be 1. अगर नहीं है तो हम उसी coefficient से दोनों sides पे divide कर देंगे, right? Afterwards, whatever the constant is given, we will move to another side, to the right side of the equation. Is that clear? Okay. And in the next step, which is step number 4, we have to determine a third term. Third term कैसे बनेगी? Because square बनाने के लिए, complete करने के लिए square को, we need two square terms और उसके बाद third term आएगी. ठीक हो गया? तो first square term तो we already have, but we are not having second square term. उसके लिए we need to take a coefficient of this variable, which is term x. ठीक है? हम उसको लेंगे, उसका half लेंगे. अब because as we know 9 upon 2 is in a fractional form, so that's why we will take a half by multiplying 1 upon 2 और साथ ही इसका हम square ले लेंगे. और after solving the bracket, we will get the term, we will get the result, and the result is 9 upon 4 whole square. And in the last step, we have to add this result on both sides of the equation. Is that clear till here? Okay, now we will continue. Now you can just observe. We are going to make first identity here because you know यहाँ पर दोनों साइड पे प्लस का साइन है. या तो ये a plus b whole square बनेगा या फिर a minus b whole square, right? So let's solve it. m square plus 9 upon 4 ये तो हमें मिल रहा है. We already know that कि दो numbers हमारे पास हैं. ठीक है, square numbers हैं. I just want to make sure what is the third term? What is the middle term? ये जो middle term है formula की, ये क्या थी? ये थी twice of product of roots of these square numbers. ये जो इसके अंदर numbers आ रहे हैं, ये इनका product है, right? ये m में यहाँ से लूंगी और 9 upon 4 I will take from this square number as a root. Now I will simplify 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So I am getting what? I am getting the same number back, and that is m square plus 9 upon 2m plus 9 upon 4 whole square. And these two terms I will copy down as it is. There will be no change because मैंने इसको भी कुछ नहीं किया, right? अच्छा, one thing. ये step जो है ना, ये मैंने just आपकी satisfaction के लिए किया है, right? और yes, we need to do such type of working ताकि हमें भी clarity साथ साथ हो सके, right? Okay. Now, it means that we can we can write in this form. Now I'm going to complete the square. अब मैं इसका square complete करने जा रही हूँ, right? Or you can say I'm going to factor the product square. ठीक है? अब मैंने यहाँ से first root लिया m प्लस लिया, प्लस किसका लिया, इस टर्म का, इसका साइन में नीचे से, इसका साइन में नीचे एज इट इज ले आऊंगी, राइट? एंड नाउ आई विल टेक दिस रूट 9/4 एंड आई विल टेक का होल स्क्वायर. एनी प्रॉब्लम टिल हियर? ओके, इट मीन्स कि ये हमारा कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर तो हो गया, बट एज वी नो इट इज अ equation, quadratic equation, so definitely we have to find its root too. We have to calculate the value of m. Okay, okay, now we will solve the right hand side. 5 plus 9, 9 times 9 is what? 81, and 4 times 4 is what? 16. अब मुझे ये open करना पड़ा. Why? Because I have to solve it. There will be no change in left hand side. I will keep it as it is. मैं इसको कोई change नहीं करूंगी. ठीक हो गया? But now, you know, how can I solve one whole term, one whole number, and one value which is a fractional value? Yes, we have to take a what? What do we need to take? LCM. तो हम यहाँ पर LCM लेंगे. तो 16 times 5 plus 81 upon 16. अच्छा, 16 से मैंने यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई क्यों किया? बिकॉज मैं जस्ट एक बहुत बेसिक सा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर दूं कि यहाँ पे LCM बेसिकली हमने 16 लिया है. ओके, अच्छा, आई एम मेकिंग वन मिस्टेक एंड दैट इज ये जो माइनस का साइन है ना, ये वाला, ये साथ साथ आएगा. ठीक है, माय बैड. I will put the minus sign here. Okay. Now, 16 times 5 is 80. Now I will change the order to minus 80 plus 81 upon 16. And here I will make no change. So I will copy down this as it is. Now, 80 minus 80 plus 81. It's giving me 1 upon 16 m plus 9 upon 4 whole square. Now I want to remove this square. How? By taking square root. So I will take a square root on both sides, right? Okay. As I have taken this, so I know कि square root तो कट जाएगा power से. What is left? M plus 9/4 is left. Okay. Now, this working I will do separately. As you know, square of 1 and square of 16 is giving us 1 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा? अंडर रूट जब लिया तो 1 ही आ जाएगा, एंड अंडर रूट 16 का लिया तो 4 का स्क्वायर होगा, और वो स्क्वायर अंडर रूट से कट जाएगा. सो आई गेट 1/4. सो इट मीन्स 1/4 is a result of under root 1/16. Now I will move this 9/4 to another side. ये यहाँ पे प्लस हो रहा है तो वहां जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. Let me solve further. M equals to 1/4 minus 9/4. Okay, one thing more. Whenever we take under root, remember one thing, whenever we take an under root, we always use two sides, plus and minus. जिसका मतलब है 1/4 जो है वो प्लस में भी एक बार होगा और एक बार माइनस में होगा. तो यहाँ पर हम इसको इक्वेट करेंगे इस साइड को वन टाइम प्लस 1/4 के साथ, और सेकेंड टाइम minus 1/4 के साथ, right? Okay. Now, as you know, there is no need to take LCM because the same denominator, the 1 minus 9 is giving you what? Minus 8/4. We can do the cancellation. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 2 is 8. So minus 2. And now I will move this 9/4 to the another side of the equation. और ये वहां जाके minus हो जाएगा. So because of same denominator, there is no need to take any LCM. So it is minus 10/4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. So the second root is minus 5/2. So here we easily identify and find the values of M is minus one answer. There are two answers. M is minus 2 and M is minus 5/2. Let's have an example number 2. X square minus 5x equals to minus 3. Okay, that is important for us to have an equation in its general form. Its general form is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, all right. I'm not going to move this -3 here because I know at step 3, I have to move this constant term to the right side of the equation. So I will stop here. I will go and I will check step 2. Step 2 says the coefficient of x squared should be 1. The coefficient of x squared should be 1 and it is 1. Wow, that's great. And step 3 says we have to move the constant term to the right side. The constant term जो कि third term होती है वो already moved है. It is already on the right side of the equation. Okay. Now, step 4, we have to determine the third term. कैसे determine होगी? Determine होगी by taking b over 2. b का half करेंगे और फिर उसका square लेंगे. What is meant by b? b means coefficient of term x. ठीक है? So we can say in detail, we have to take a half of coefficient of term x and then we will take its square. Okay. So what is the coefficient of x? 5. We will ignore the sign. Remember that. So it means it is 5. So we can say 5 upon 2. Okay? Or we can even write like this 1 over 2 half of 5. तो भी एक ही बात है. So I will go with this method. 5 upon 2 whole square. So that term we will add on both sides of the equation. Okay. So it means that x square minus 5x. I will seriously leave some space. मैं थोड़ी सी जगह छोड़ दूंगी और जिसको मैं normally कहती हूँ कि set the equation. Okay. तो अब क्या है? Basically, we need to add something here. Let me erase this. Okay. Okay. I have to add the third term on both sides. So the third term कौन सी है? We have calculated on the right side and that is 5 upon 2 whole square. This one. This one, right? Okay. Now I'm going to add this term on both sides. It will be plus 5 upon 2 whole square and plus 5 upon 2 whole square. Now, basically, we have to complete a square. तो ये square बन चुका है. ठीक है? How do we know? देखें. First term is a square term. मैंने यहाँ से इसका root ले लिया, right? Okay. 5 upon 2 whole square. तो मैंने यहाँ से ये इसका root ले लिया. 5 upon 2. ठीक हो गया? अब minus 5x यहाँ से सिर्फ minus का साइन लूंगी. Clear? And whole square आ जाएगा. अच्छा, some of the students were asking कि क्या हम इसको कैसे जज कर सकते हैं कि ये कंप्लीट हो गया या नहीं. तो डेफिनेटली वी कैन जज इट बाय अप्लाइंग इट. हम इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, चेक कर सकते हैं. लाइक एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. ए क्या है यहाँ पर? ए इज एक्स. आई विल राइट एक्स. एंड बी क्या है यहाँ पे? 5 upon 2. I will write 5 upon 2. Or rest, I will just copy down as it is as a square term. And there is no change in the right hand side. 5 upon 2 whole square. Okay. Here you can just observe. Let me erase that. Okay. Here you can observe. After cancellation, this 2 and this 2, I am getting 5x here. Okay. So that's how we can say कि ये x minus a minus b whole square complete हो गया है. So here first root is x and second root is 5 upon 2. और यहाँ से मैंने लिया minus का sign और ये मैंने square complete कर दिया. Any problem till here? No? That's great. Okay. Now I will move to the right hand side. अब ये basically हमारा square complete हो गया है. Now we have to complete and solve the further proceeding to calculate the roots, means the values of x. Okay. Minus 3 plus 5 times 5 means now I'm going to apply the square. 5 का square क्या होगा? That will be 25 and 2 times 2 is giving us 4. There will be no change in left hand side still because we have to solve the right hand side first. Okay, now we will take LCM, and as for LCM, LCM will be 4. We have to multiply by 4 here, and we get the answer. That will be 1 minute. मैं इसको नीचे कर लेती हूँ ताकि मिक्स ना हो जाए, right? Okay. So that will be 3 times 4 is 12 minus 12 plus 25 upon 4. Now x minus 5 upon 2 whole square. Okay, minus 12 plus 25 gives us 13 upon 4. Now we have to remove this square. To remove this square, we will take square root on both sides. Let's take a square root on both sides. ले जी, ये मैंने ले लिया. पावर के साथ तो ये कैंसिल हो गया. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस? जैसे ही स्क्वायर रूट आएगा प्लस और माइनस का साइन साथ आ जाएगा, राइट? सो x माइनस 5 अपॉन 2 इक्वल्स टू प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 13 अपॉन 4. ओके, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, दिस अंडर रूट इज बेसिकली न्यूमरेटर के साथ अलग अप्लाई हो रहा है और डिनोमिनेटर के साथ अलग अप्लाई हो रहा है. तो यू कैन जस्ट ऑब्जर्व कि 13 अंडर रूट 13 इज अ इरैशनल नंबर, वी कैन नॉट सॉल्व इट. बट स्क्वायर, ये जो 4 है इसका रूट आ जाएगा 2. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा क्योंकि 2 की पावर 2 विल कैंसिल द रूट. सो फाइनली वी विल गेट द आंसर अंडर रूट 13 upon 2. So it means that here you can say it is a working, okay? So it means that plus minus under root 13 upon 2 and x minus 5 upon 2. Now we have to equate, we will equate this side one time with the plus sign of the value under root 13 upon 2 and second time with minus sign, okay? So we are going to equate it x minus 5 upon 2 equals to plus under root 13 upon 2 and second time x minus 5 upon 2 equals to minus under root 13 upon 2. Okay, now I will move this whole term to another side. Means ये यहाँ पे minus की term है तो वहाँ जाके plus की हो जाएगी. Okay, so it will give us a result 13 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. So the answer will be under root 13 plus 5 upon 2 as a single fraction. Remember one thing, 5 and 13, under root 13, 5 is a rational number, but under root 13 is the irrational number. So we cannot solve them. We cannot add them. So I will keep the expression as it is, right? Now let's solve this one. So again, I'm going to take or I'm going to move this minus 5 upon 2 to on other side of the equation. तो वहां जाकर इसका sign change हो जाएगा. It will be plus 5 upon 2 as both terms are like terms, means के denominator same है. So definitely we will just need to add the numerators, and the numerators are minus under root 13 plus 5. So this is how you can easily find roots by using completing the square method. And remember one thing, students, you have to copy down these steps. These are very important steps. By using these steps, you can easily calculate a lot of questions, inshallah.